अच्छे होंगे। चलिए फिर क्लास 8 की एनसीईआरटी बुक का हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 1 जो है उसके बारे में हम लोग डिटेल में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि क्या है फर्स्ट चैप्टर में। तो हाउ, व्हेन एंड वेयर, इसी पे एक टॉपिक है। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है। तो हाउ, व्हेन एंड वेयर ये टॉपिक का नाम हो गया, यानी कि फर्स्ट चैप्टर है, ये चैप्टर का नाम हो गया। तो फर्स्ट है कि हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट यार डेट। तो डेट कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है तो उसी के बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे। तो फर्स्ट दिया है देयर वाज ये टाइम व्हेन द हिस्टोरियंस वेयर द fascinated with dates. There were the heated debates about the dates on which rulers were the crowned or battles were fought. In the common sense notion, history was the synonyms with dates. You may have heard people say, I find history boring because it is all about memorizing dates. Is such a concept conception true? उसके बाद फिर दिया हुआ हिस्ट्री इज certainly about the changes that the occur over time. It is about the finding out how things were in the past and how things have changed. As soon as we are the compare the past with the present, we refer to time we talk of before and after. उसके बाद फिर आगे दिया है इसी में living in the world and do not always ask historical question about what we see around us. We take things for granted as if what we see has always been in the world we inhabit. But most of us have our moments of wonder when we are the curious and we ask questions that actually are the historical. Watching someone sip a cup of tea at a roadside tea stall, you may wonder when did people being to drink tea or coffee. Looking out of the window of a train, you may ask yourself when were railways built and how did people travel long distances before the age of railways. Reading the newspaper in the morning, you may be curious to know how people got to hear about things before newspapers being to be printed. तो ये हो गया, ये फिगर जो देख रहे हैं इसके बारे में फिर हम लोग बात करें तो इसके बारे में दिया हुआ है ब्राह्मण्स ऑफरिंग द शस्त्राज टू ब्रिटानिया। तो ये सब इसी के बारे में दिया हुआ है, मतलब ब्राह्मण जो भी थे शस्त्र वगैरह का कैसे वैसे प्रयोग करते थे उसके बारे में डिटेल में दिया हुआ है। To the first map the produced by the James Rennell 1782। उसके बाद यह Rennell was asked by Robert Clive to the produce maps of Hindustan and enthusiastic supporters of British conquest of India. Rennell saw the preparation of maps as essential to the process of domination. The picture here tries to suggest that the Indians willingly give over their the excedent tax to Britannia, the symbol of British power, as if asking her to become the प्रोटेक्टर ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर। उसके बाद एक्टिविटी के बारे में बात करें तो लुक केयरफुली एट द फिगर 1, यानी इसी फिगर के बारे में जो हम लोग बात किए हैं तो इसी के बारे में वहाँ भी बताया गया है। तो ये इसके बारे में थोड़ा देखें और आगे फिर देखते हैं। ऑल सच हिस्टोरिकल क्वेश्चंस रेफर अस बैक टू नोशन ऑफ टाइम, बट टाइम डज नॉट हैव टू बी always preciously dated in the terms of a particular year or a month. Sometimes it is actually incorrect to fix the precious dates to processes that happen over a period of time. People in India did not begin drinking tea one fine day. They developed a taste they develop a tasty for it over time. उसके बाद फिर दिया है कि there can be no one clear date for a process such as this. Similarly, we cannot fix one single date on which British rule was established or the national movement started or changes took place within the economy and the society. All these things happened over a stretch of time. We can only refer to a span of time and the approximate period over which particular changes become visual. उसके बाद फिर नेक्स्ट दिया है इसी में आगे, why then do we continue to associate the history with a string of dates? This association has a reason. There was a time when the history was an account of battles and big events. If was about rulers and their policies, historians wrote about the year a crowned king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had a child, the year he fought a particular war, the year he died, and the year the next ruler succeeded to the throne. Fourth, events such as these specific dates can be determined, and in the historians such as these debates about dates continue to be important. उसके बाद फिर इसी में आगे दिया है, as you have seen in the history textbook of the past 2 years, historians now write about a host of other issues and other questions. They look at how people earned their livelihood, what they produced, and at how cities developed and the markets come up with, the kingdoms were formed and new ideas sharpened, and now how cultures and the society changed. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट इसी में आगे जाके है which dates. तो by what criteria do we choose a set of dates as the important? The dates we select, the dates around which we compose our story of the past, are not important one. They became the vital because we focus on a particular set of events as the important. If our focus of study changes, if we begin to look at new issues, a new set of dates will appear significant. उसके बाद इसी में आगे दिया, consider an example in the historians written by the British historians in India. The rule of each governor general was important. These historians began with the rule of the first governor general, Warren Hastings, and ended with the last Viceroy, Lord Mountbatten. In the separate chapters we read about the deeds of others. ये इसमें पूरा था. उसके बाद इसके बारे में, ये बुक के बारे में दिया हुआ है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट हेल्प creates the taste. World advertisements help us to understand how markets for new products were create, created and new tastes were the popularized. This 1922 advertisement for the Lipton tea suggests the royalty all over the world is associated with this tea. In the background you see the outer wall of an Indian place, while in the foreground, seated on the horseback, is the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain, Prince Arthur, who was given the title Duke of Connaught. तो ये पूरा इसमें था. उसके बाद इसमें वॉरिंग हस्टिंग के बारे में दुआ, हस्टिंग वेलेस्ली द बेंटिक द डलहौजी कैनिंग लॉरेंस लाइटन रिपन कार्जोन हार्डिंग इरविन. It was a seemingly never-ending succession of governor general and the viceroys. All the dates in these history books were linked to these the personalities, to their activities, policies, achievements. It was as if there was nothing outside their lives that was important for us to know. The chronology of their lives marked the different chapters of the history of British India. उसके बाद इसी में आगे दिया हुआ है, can we not write about the history of this period in a different way? How do we focus on the activity of the different groups and classes in Indian society within the format of this history of governor generals? उसके बाद इसी में आगे दिया हुआ, when we write history or a story, we divide into chapters. Why do we do this? It is to give each chapter some coherence. It is to tell a story in a way that makes some sense and can be followed in the process. We focus only on those events that help us to give shape to the story we are telling. In the histories that revolve around the life of British Governor Generals, the activists of the Indians simply do not fit. They have no space. So what then we do? Clearly, we need another format for our history. This would mean that the world dates will no longer have the significance they earlier had. A new set of dates will become more important for us to know. तो ये पूरा हो गया। उसके बाद फिर इसमें दिया हुआ है हाउ डू वी प्रियोरिटाइज के बारे में हम लोग देखें तो इन 1870 जेम्स मिल ये स्कॉटिश इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड द पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफर पब्लिश्ड ये मैसिव 3 वॉल्यूम वर्क ये हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया। In this he divided Indian history into the 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim and British. This periodization came to be widely accepted. Can you think of many problems with this way of looking at the Indian history? उसके बाद फिर इसी में आगे है कि why do we try and the divide history into the different periods? We do so in the attempt to capture that the chapterized of a time. It's the central features as they appear to us. So the terms through the which we the periodize, that is the democrate demarcate the difference between the periods, become the important. They reflect our ideas about the past. उसके बाद इसी में दिया हुआ है they saw now we see the significance of the challenge from one period to the next. उसके बाद इसी में दिया है कि मिल thought that all Asian societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe. According to his telling of history, before the British came to India, Hindu and the Muslim despots ruled the country. Religious intolerance, caste taboos, and the superstitions practices dominated. तो ये सब इसमें था दिया हुआ। उसके बाद फिर इसी में है to interview our mother or the another member of our family to find out about their life. Now the divide their life into the different periods and list out the significant event in each period, explain the basis of our prioritization. तो ये सब था। उसके बाद इसी में फिर दिया था आगे सोशल लाइफ ब्रिटिश रोल मिल फेल्ट कुड civilize India. To do that this it was necessary to the introduce the European manners, art, institutions and laws in India. Mill in the fact the suggested that the British should the conquer tell the territories in India to ensure the enlightenment and the happiness of the Indian people, for India was not the capable of the progress without British help. उसके बाद फिर इसी में आगे देता है कि in this idea of history British rule represented all the forces of the progress and the civilization. The period before the British rule was one of darkness. उसके बाद इसी में आगे देता है can such ये conception be accepted today. उसके बाद इसी में देता है in any case can we refer to any period of history as Hindu or Muslim did not a variety of the faiths exist the simultaneously in these periods. Why should we characterize an age only through the religious of the rulers of the time? उसके बाद इसी में फिर आगे बताया कि to do so is to suggest that the lives and the practices of the other do not really matter. We should also remember that even rulers in ancient India did not all share the same faith. उसी में फिर आगे देता है कि moving away from the British classification, historians have the usually divided Indian history into the ancient, medieval and the modern. This division too has its the problems. It is a periodization that is the borrowed from the west, where modern period was associated with the growth of all the forces of the modernity, science, regions, democracy, liberty and the equality. Medieval was a term used to the describe a society where these the features of modern society did not exist. Can be the uncertainly accept this characterization of the modern period to the describe the period of our study. As you will see in this book, under the British rule people did not have the equality, freedom or liberty, nor was that period one of economic growth and progress. उसके बाद फिर इसी में आगे देता है many historians therefore refer to this period as colonial. तो इसमें फिर आगे क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज कॉलोनियल, कॉलोनियल क्या है, तो इसके बारे में फिर दिया है कि इन दिस बुक यू विल रीड अबाउट द वे द ब्रिटिश केम टू कॉन्क्वेयर द कंट्री एंड द एस्टेब्लिश देयर रूल सब. तो इसके बारे में हम लोग कल के वीडियो में बात करेंगे व्हाट इज कॉलोनियल. तो आज का वीडियो हम लोग यहीं छोड़ते हैं फ्रेंड. तो कल फिर हम लोग बात करेंगे व्हाट इज कॉलोनियल, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. उम्मीद करते हैं वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. मिलते हैं कल फिर.